Hi guys, so the market today has been bad. I don't understand why some people were shocked by this. There were a few people, not many, it was actually one or two, who were shocked by that. Why would you be shocked by that? When Jerome Powell speaks, does anything positive come out of it? No. What did he say at Jackson Hole today? That there will be more, that the inflation is still high, there will be more rate hikes, and the market reacted as if it was surprised, as if we didn't know that there would be more interest rate hikes. Whoever thought that there would be no more rate hikes, I think should stop trading. Not forever, but stop for a little bit. Seriously, stop. If you thought there would be any more interest rate hikes, stop. Now, in this video, guys, for your own good, right? In this video, I'm going to address 4 things. I'm going to talk about a past video I did earlier in the morning. I'm going to talk about the auto industry in trouble, possibly, real quick. Nothing, we're not going to get into it in detail. We're going to talk about ticker symbol RSKD, and then we're also going to talk about, we're going to look at an ETF that is going up even today, right? Ever since it went public, which was about 5 days ago, it's going up nice and slow and silently. All right, so we'll talk about these 4 things in this video. All right, so we'll take it in order. First one, the past video. The past video is a video that I did earlier in the morning. The title of the video is this stock, as you can see here. All right, this stock is going public. Business combination closes today. Prime number capital behind it. When I make a video, all right, and this is not something I am addressing towards 99% of you, but there's always one person, always is going to be one person that has, I think, no idea how to trade. And in my opinion, this person should stick to ETFs, or I don't know, go to Fidelity and pay Fidelity to trade for you. There's financial services from Fidelity, they'll take care of your money. That's better. All right, so just do that. When I make a video, that doesn't mean it's a buy. Unless you heard me in the video say it's a buy. I never said in this video that ticker symbol PNAC is a buy right now. When I made that video, I said, guys, here's the information I posted on my Discord. Maybe you might want to check it out. And I did specifically say, I am not saying that you should go buy it now, right? Because it's a SPAC, and SPACs are always risky. Most SPACs suck, all right? They're just a gamble on whether they're going to go up before the business combination, after the business combination closes, when the ticker symbol changes. So that was it. Nowhere in the video did I say, buy it right now. I'm not going to do that. That's your decision, right? So enough with that. If you are the type of person who watches a YouTube video and buys right away blindly, don't ever watch my videos. Seriously. Go watch other YouTubers and follow them as much as you like. Don't follow me. So let's go to number 2. Number 2 is the auto industry. Could it be in trouble? This came out just a little while ago, 2:10 p.m. And it says, Fed's gold speech says, worries big auto strike would hit U.S. factories hard. It's on Bloomberg. If you click on it and go over to Bloomberg, you can read about it and so on. I don't want to go into detail with this, but I think that the auto industry might be in trouble in the near future. Speaking of the auto industry, VinFast is exploding like crazy. I got asked, and you don't have to ask me, guys. All right? If you want, you can ask me. I'd be more than happy to answer your questions, but when I answer, it's just my opinion. Someone asked me about VinFast. Mike, should I invest in this for the future, for the long term? I said no. In my opinion, VinFast, if you look at their financials, the valuation, they're 10 times worse than Ford. They're 10 times worse than Stellantis. They're 10 times worse than General Motors. It is being pumped right now. That's it. It's a SPAC business combination that closed, changed tickers. VinFast went public, and it's getting pumped. At some point, VinFast will tank. It will. It might be hard to believe, but it will. All right. How much higher it goes, I don't know, but it will tank at some point. That I can guarantee you. All right. So for me, VinFast is not a long-term buy. This is my opinion, right? So let's go to number 3. Number 3 is Riskified Ltd. The stock is going up. In fact, if you see here this chart, the past 5 days, this stock is going up. It's now at $4.78 as I am speaking and making this video. The reason why it's been going up the past 5 days. Well, news had come out on August 17, 2023, Thursday, and that was that MasterCard and Riskified new integration combined fraud insights to drive e-commerce revenue growth, right? So basically MasterCard partnered with Riskified, and it's trading at 478. I had talked about Riskified back on July 27, 2023 on my Discord, and I said that I would buy it at $4.60, right? I was betting on the earnings then because the earnings were coming up, not on the MasterCard deal because that came after. But what happened with the earnings? The earnings on August 15 were positive. Riskified, so I was sort of right on the earnings. It was the right thing for me to buy. The GAAP EPS was 0.0 beats by 2 cents. The revenue of $72 million beats by 1.43 million. So and also the board had announced then on August 15 that they authorized the repurchase of $75 million of the company's ordinary shares. So you get good earnings, you get a $75 million repurchase, and then later on August 17, you get the deal with MasterCard. Should be a combination. All of these should have been combinations that should have exploded RSKD. Like I said, I bought at 460 when I announced my Discord, so I'm up on it, right? And anybody who bought with me is up. We're profitable on it right now, but it should have exploded. Well, it didn't. It didn't go crazy. Reason? Market conditions. They're trash. And if you look at Riskified's revenue growth the past 4 years, it's been explosive. They started with 130 million, went to 169, then they went to 229. 2022 they went to 261, and 2023 is going to end record-breaking revenue growth, higher than 2022. So that's awesome. Number 4 is the ETF. So the ETF that's been going up silently, slowly and consistently from August 17, 2023 is ticker symbol ROYA. So this is from Tema. It's called Tema Global Royalties ETF, and they have about 100 companies with greater than 80% revenue from royalty income. So they have, not 100 companies, I'm sorry. The stock will hold anywhere from 15 minimum to up to 100 companies will be the holdings of this ETF. And like I said, it has to be companies that derive 80% of their revenue from royalties. So, it's a different ETF, right? That's pretty cool. And what has it done since it's gone public? It's gone up 0.68%. Nothing great, but hey, a lot better than losing money. Right? Steady, nice, and slow. Who cares? I think it's cool. So that doesn't mean it's a buy, obviously. It's my opinion, right? So ticker symbol ROYA. I make these videos to be helpful. I'm not making videos to tell people buy this. I never do that, right? Don't, if you have this issue with yourself and you can't help yourself and you tend to buy something that you see on social media that is being talked about, don't watch I would prefer that you never follow me. I don't want people that are like that, because I think these people should not be trading on their own, and they need to have financial advice from a professional. So, principal investment strategies of the fund. Under normal circumstances, the Global Royalties ETF seeks to achieve its investment objective by investing at least 80% of its assets, like I said, from deriving from royalties. If we look at the top 10 holdings, they have Texas Pacific Land Corporation, they have Sandstorm Gold, they have Altius Minerals, Wheaton Precious Metals, Franco Nevada, a lot of commodity stocks. Warner Music Group, there we go. Royalty Pharma. Royalty Pharma is a great stock. It's a really great stock in my opinion. Don't buy it just because I say it's a great stock, right? Guys, or one person, I shouldn't say guys, 99% of you people understand. That 1%, seriously, stop. Anyways, so that's that. And yeah, country breakdown is almost equal, United States and Canada. So that's that, guys. 4 things I want to talk about in this video. I hope that you have a good day, a good weekend. If your portfolio is red, have patience. Have a lot of patience, because that's part of investing. You have to have that. Part of investing is we gain sometimes, we make mistakes, we have to have patience. If you can't accept any of those 3, you should never trade on the stock market. Don't do that. I wish you guys all the best. Take care.